So my sister called me this morning, and obviously I'm still in my pajamas in bed. She wanted to show me this most amazing hack that she came across. And so I recorded her on FaceTime, and I wanted to show you guys the video. I don't know how you record somebody FaceTime and actually have the voice, like you can hear the voice, because when I recorded it, it doesn't show the voice, but I wanted to show you what she did. She actually has made this hole in her jeans because her jeans are perfect in her leg, too big on her waist, which I never have that problem, unfortunately. Like they're always too small in my waist. Anyways, what she did was she cut a hole in her jeans inside, and I'm going to play the video right next to me talking. She cut a hole in her jeans, and then she threaded a shoestring through it. And I was telling her that she used this tool to do it, but I was telling her that you could actually use a bobby pin to do this as well. So she threaded this shoestring through the pant, and so she actually has like an inside belt, which I think is so cool because you don't see it on the outside. You just know that it's supporting your hips or your waist with this shoestring inside when you tie it, because I don't know if you guys have a big booty like I do or like she does in the picture, in the video, but like our pants tend to fall down on our butt. That's why we always wear a belt. Like you squat, your butt's so big, it just pops out the top. TMI, but anyways, so she's going to actually do a squat and show you guys that it doesn't come down. And I thought this is such an amazing hack that I actually had to make a video on it. And if you're wondering why she's laughing in the video, because I was like, stop shaking your area in the camera because some people might get turned on with it. Total joke. But yeah, she's kind of like up in the camera.